In this video, we're going to look at factoring a perfect square trinomial and difference of two squares. And they give us a reminder of the perfect square trinomial and the difference of two squares in the box. And in one, it says, write each term as a perfect square. In A, we have 4x squared. So we can write that as 2x squared. 2 squared is equal to 4, and x squared is equal to x squared. In B, we have 49, and 49 is equal to 7 squared. In C, we have 81x to the 10th, and we could write that as 9x to the 5th squared. 9 squared is equal to 81, and x to the 5th squared is equal to x to the 10th. In 2, it says factor each polynomial. In A, we have 4x squared plus 28x plus 49, and then they ask how many terms are there, and there are 3 terms, so we have a trinomial. And then it asks, are the leading and constant terms perfect squares and positive? So when we look at our leading term, we have a perfect square. 4x squared can be written as 2x all squared, and 49 is a perfect square, and they're both positive. And now it says define A and B. So A is equal to 2x, and B is equal to 7. And then it asks, is the middle term equal to 2AB? So if we do 2 times 2x times 7, we get 2 times 2 is 4, times 7 is 28, and then x. So the middle term is equal to 2AB. And now they want us to factor. So we could write 4x squared plus 28x plus 49 as 2x squared plus 28x plus 7 squared. And this is equal to 2x plus 7 squared. So we have a perfect square trinomial. And now they want us to check. And we would check by multiplying 2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7. And FOIL this out, and we get 4x squared plus 14x plus 14x plus 49. And then we'll combine our like terms, and we get 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. And that's the polynomial we started off with. In B, we have 4x squared minus 49. And they want to know how many terms are there. And we have 2 terms. And then it asks, are the terms perfect squares? And 4x squared is a perfect square, and 49 is a perfect square. So it's yes. And then, is the operation subtraction? Yes. So because both of our terms are perfect squares and we have subtraction in the middle, we have the difference of two squares, and A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 7. And now they want us to factor. So we could write this as 2x squared minus 7 squared, which is equal to 2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7. And now if we want to check, we're going to multiply 2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7, and that would be equal to 4x squared minus 14x plus 14x minus 49. And negative 14x plus 14x is 0, so we have 4x squared minus 49. And that's what we started with. In 3, it says, categorize each polynomial as a perfect square trinomial, a difference of two squares, or neither. In each pair, one polynomial is not factorable. State the condition that it does not meet. In A, we have x squared minus 36, and this is a difference of two squares, so we're going to say DTS, and we can say that x squared minus 36 is equal to x plus 6 times x minus 6, and x squared plus 36 is neither, and the operation is addition. In order for this to be a difference of two squares, we would have to have a minus sign in between our two terms like we did in the first example. In B, we have x squared plus 12x minus 36, and this is neither. And the condition it doesn't meet is the constant term is negative. And then we have x squared plus 12x plus 36, and this is a perfect square trinomial. And we could say that x squared plus 12x plus 36 is equal to x plus 6 times x plus 6, or x plus 6 squared. In C, we have x squared minus 12x plus 36, and this is a perfect square trinomial, and x squared minus 12x plus 36 could be written as x minus 6 times x minus 6, or x minus 6 squared. And x squared minus 12x minus 36 is neither, and the constant term is negative. And that's our video on factoring a perfect square trinomial and difference of two squares.